Welcome to my 2-minute tutorial where I'm going to show you how to use a Tassimo machine. In this case it's a Bosch machine, and there's a power switch down here. So the first thing you want to do is just hit that power switch. This is a refillable disc, T-disc I think they call it. So that's made of silicone. This is kind of a water filter here. Water comes through there, filters through here, and it'll pour through the coffee into the coffee filter. So that's the reusable unit. Fresh ground coffee beans. Pour that right into the reusable filter pod, like that. Put the top on. Make sure that seals all the way around like that. And then you put it in, unlike those Keurigs, where you just pop those in, you turn these upside down, and you put them inside the machine like that. You line up the tab so it's facing outwards, so that's upside down. Close that tightly, and then you hit your brew button. One makes a bit of noise, hasn't been used for a while. So I guess it's heating the water up. I guess putting a cup under there also would be such a good idea. You don't want to have coffee all over the place. And this is where we fast forward. There you go, you got your full cup. Now once that's done and you've got your green light there, that's just kind of stays on, then I guess you can power it down at this point, and then you can remove your pod